Practice set 34, number 3. What is the final value of $850 placed in a savings account which pays 7% quarterly for 5 years? Identifying the information in this problem, they're asking us for the final value, which in the compound interest formula stands for A. Next, the number first given is $850. That represents the principal that's in this account. It's placed into an account which pays 7% quarterly. That'll be our interest rate. And the interest rate needs to be expressed as a decimal, so an equivalence to 7%, moving the decimal place 2 to the left gives us 0.07. In this problem, it says that the money is compounded quarterly since there are 4 quarters in a year, and standing for the number of compounding periods will be 4. And the last piece of information is our time. T stands for time and will have a value of 5. Using the compound interest formula then, A, the final amount, is equal to P, the principal, times 1 plus the interest rate divided by N, the compounding period, raised to the compounding period times the time. So filling in the information for this problem, we have $850 for the principal, 1 plus the interest rate as a decimal over the compounding periods, which was 4, raised to the N, which is 4, times T, which is 5. Following order of operations, the priority is inside the parentheses. There's 2 operations, and the operation with the greatest priority is the division. So I'm going to consult the calculator to do that operation of 0.07 divided by 4, resulting in 0.0175. And while we're at it, this is raised to the 4 times 5 power. I'm going to substitute in a value of 20 in place of that. Simplifying further inside the parentheses will take care of the addition, which gives us 1.0175. Catching up with the calculator, I'll add 1 and hit equals, so we're in agreement. Next, we have a multiplication and an exponent. That power has the greater priority, so we're going to take that value in the parenthesis and raise it to the 20th power. On this model calculator, the power or exponent key is y to the x, so I have my base 1.0175 already in there. I'm going to hit the y to the x key, raised to the 20th power gets entered next, and I'll hit the equals, which results in a 1.4147778, and some more detail I'll leave for right now in the calculator. And the last operation then is to multiply by the 850, resulting in a value of 1202.561466. This answer is money, so 2 decimal places for our final answer. And rounding, I need to look at the thousands place, which is not 5 or greater, so we're going to leave our answer at $1,202.56 for our final answer.